Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be unboxing my brand new iPad Pro M1 256 gig Wi-Fi version. It just arrived today and this is the very first batch of pre-order, and I got it today on 22nd of May 2021 morning around 11:35 a.m. Here's the Apple Pencil inside the beautiful perfect brown box protected. And this one arrived 2 days earlier because of course this is in stock, and this one arrived today. Beautiful box, sharp edges. This is the power adapter, and this is the USB-C cable. Had my name engraved on this Apple Pencil second generation. The screen is gorgeous XDR display, and this is actually my very first iPad Pro. I mean, the square type design. Yeah, this is my very first 12.9-inch iPad Pro M1. Okay, it's so beautiful.